So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want a one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can book the slots via my email via my website. If you have any queries, then you can mail me. Okay, honey. Let's see. Virgo, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the Page of Wands, the Emperor, and the Justice. Wow. This person is feeling very attracted to the idea of coming towards you like a friend, but at the same time they feel like they should not, because their energy, their mind is kind of continuously telling them do not go in that direction, because there is nothing left in this direction between you and Virgo. And even if you are going to connect with Virgo, this is going to be a disaster again. So what is the use of even going in that direction? So basically their heart is kind of telling them to open up to you at least as a friend, and be in a harmonious kind of connection between you and them. Maybe it's just going to be a friendship kind of a deal for the rest of their life or whatever, but they definitely feel like they should connect. But their mind is taking over the situation and telling them to do the right thing in this direction, and according to them the right thing is to put on this facade of I don't care, don't give a damn, don't care, I don't even think about you, who the hell are you, Virgo? This person is refusing to listen to their heart. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Eight of Swords, Ace of Swords, and Seven of Pentacles. See, their intention is to clear the air with you, at least clear the air with you, at least once in this lifetime, so that they can move on properly, so that you can move on properly from the situation. Okay, whatever happened between you guys, I really don't have any idea, but they do want to break this mental jail, like thinking negative about all the situation, whatever happened between you guys all the time. So they have something that they want to clear with you, and they just want to wait for the time, and they will be able to do so, even if it is never going to be a connection whatsoever in this lifetime again. But they definitely want to wait for the time, and they will be able to connect with you and clear the air with you, like crystal clear clarity, even if it is going to hurt both of you. But they definitely want to clear the air with you, communicate with you honestly, one, even if it is going to be one last time kind of a communication. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 22nd of December, Virgo. Wow. They're obsessively waiting for the time when something is going to happen suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue, when you guys will be able to connect with each other. So they have this plan of connecting with you out of the blue. This is the devil card here. Their intentions, even if their intentions are not of like harming you or hurting you or anything, they're obsessively obsessed with the idea of doing something that is going to hurt you in some way, like not directly. How should I explain this to you? They are obsessively waiting for the time when they will be able to like talk to you about something that happened between you guys, so that they can show you the reality, so that you are going to go through the same kind of energy that they are going through, or same kind of feeling. So I don't see them doing anything about it, but suddenly out of the blue, one day they're going to lose their mind and they are going to connect with you out of the blue. I don't see that happening right now though, like in this week. But suddenly, out of the blue, when you will be least expecting it, they are going to connect with you. They are going to maybe say bad words to you, like cuss you or abuse you or do say something stupid, and then boom, nothing. Although it's not, this is not their like intention. Their intention is to clear the air with you. But maybe they are going to be intoxicated. Maybe they are going to be pumped up by the third party. Maybe they are going to be in this unhealthy kind of energy of I want to talk to Virgo no matter what kind of a deal. It's like losing their mind and out of nowhere connecting with you and saying shitty things and boom, nothing. That is that too not happening right now, but in the near future. Wow. It's like somebody losing their mind. Suddenly something is going to trigger them. They're going to call you and or text you and saying all the bad words and everything to you, and boom, nothing out after that. Like goodbye. Guidance for you, the Hierophant. You just take the higher route here. Okay, whatever is happening is actually teaching you self-worth, self-love, self-care, and a lot of energy of going towards spirituality rather than becoming bitter. Try to become a better person here. Try to become a better version of yourself. Whatever happened happened, Virgo. You can't change it. You just can't accept it. Healing is acceptance. Healing is nothing but acceptance and letting go. So you can resolve this part by acceptance and letting go and healing yourself properly and letting it go slowly but surely out of your life, out of your system. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.